Carly looking at herself. Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm going out bringing a beer, and my best friend is Heather. Me. Her. Me. Us. Yeah, it's like her. Me. Us. Me. Dude, look at my hands. Okay, so this morning I had to get a lint roller and I had to like get all the freaking fur off of me because I have like 16 cats. And then once I got out of the car, my mom was like, "Your butt is hairy." And I was like, "Oh." And I was already late. Oh my gosh. I was almost like my mom whenever she was taking my brother to school. Their person stopped in front of her. So she was on her break. It's upside down, chick. Oh. she was on her break as hard as she could, and she was going sliding. Oh my god. And she was going in the school parking lot, and she was like inching forward, and she was still sliding. We gotta go to lunch. I'm so pretty. We gotta go to lunch. Cody's conceited. Turn it on.